Now, if we jump over to this 6 methods for vertical centering with CSS, we can scroll down and try these different solutions. So the first one is to use vertical align, which we used in our search form for our header. Unfortunately, with compound elements like we have in our slides, using the vertical align property isn't going to work. Let's see what happens if we try. So I'm just going to refresh to erase our flexbox, and let's try setting these list items to vertical align middle. So vertical align is going to align it relative to the containing element. Now this unordered list doesn't have a particular size yet, so let's grab the size from the slideshow, 39.375 rem, and we'll set the height of our unordered list. Okay? So we're getting things popping down, and that's because at the very top of our code, we have another slideshow list that is being modified. We can remove that. I'm going to jump back to our index.html file and scroll up to the top where we have our original slideshow, and I'll remove that so it's a little easier to deal with the code here in our browser. Okay, so now we've set vertical align on our list items. We've set a height to this unordered list. Just to make sure, let's give it a display of block, and then that's in our slideshow. So ideally, it seems like vertical align should work in this case, but it just doesn't. And you'll run into scenarios with the vertical align property that work this way enough that you'll naturally find other solutions.